Welcome back. In this session, we will look into various data types allowed in JSON. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. JSON is language independent, but it uses conventions that are familiar to programmers of the C family of languages, including C, C++, C#, Java, JavaScript, Perl, Python, and many others. JSON supports the different data types. Let's look into one by one. First, we will look into string, a sequence of 0 or more Unicode characters. Strings are wrapped in double quotes. For example, hello, world. Next we have number, an integer or floating point number. Unlike JavaScript, JSON does not support NaN or infinity. Object, an unordered collection of key-value pairs, where the keys are strings and the values can be any other JSON data type. Objects are delineated by curly brackets, and key-value pairs are separated by commas. An example object could be name, John, age, 30. Now we will discuss about array, an ordered list of 0 or more values, each of which can be any JSON data type. Arrays are enclosed in square brackets, and values are separated by commas. An example of an array would be 1, 2, key, value. Now let's discuss about Boolean. Boolean represents a true or false value. JSON Booleans are represented as the literals true and false. Next we have null, denotes the absence of a value or the concept of nothing. The null literal in JSON is null. Now it's time to also know about what JSON does not support. JSON doesn't support comments, functions, or date data types. Any complex data types typically have to be represented using the JSON-supported types or as a string encoding of the data. Now let's look all data types together in an example. In this example, name and address, street, city, zip are strings. Age is a number. Is_student is a Boolean. Courses is an array. Address is an object. Graduation_date is null. So now we have understand different data types supported in JSON. In this session, I have just given you the overview of different data types. On this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session.